ducks. 4, 5, 6 little ducks. 7, 8, 9 little ducks. 10 little ducks in a pool. LaLa loves to count and play with animal friends all day. 1, 2, 3 Baba sheep. 4, 5, 6 Baba sheep. 7, 8, 9 Baba sheep. 10 Baba sheep in a house. LaLa loves to count and play with animal friends all day. 1, 2, 3 jolly elephants. 4, 5, 6 jolly elephants. 7, 8, 9 jolly elephants. 10 jolly elephants splashing around. LaLa loves to count and play with animal friends all day. 1, 2, 3 cutie cats. 4, 5, 6 cutie cats. 7, 8, 9 cutie cats. 10 cutie cats on a trampoline. LaLa loves to count and play with animal friends all day. Daddy finger, where are you? There you are, there you are. How do you do? Oh no! Mommy finger, where are you? There you are, there you are. How do you do? Brother finger, where are you? There you are, there you are. How do you do? Sister finger, where are you? There you are, there you are. How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? There you are, there you are. How do you do? Daddy finger, mommy finger, brother finger, sister finger, baby finger.
Let's go!
Hello! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the village. The cow on the bus says moo, 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 moo. The cow on the bus says moo, 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 all through the village. The sheep on the bus says ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the bus says ba, 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 all through the village. The elephants on the bus go trumpet, 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 trumpet. The elephants trumpet, 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 all through the village. The cat on the bus says meow, 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 meow. The cat on the bus says meow, 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 all through the village. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the village.
Hello!
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the raindrops and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider tried to climb again.
Use this.
The itsy bitsy spider took a brand new path. It found a little ladder to climb up really fast. But oh no, the rain cloud came back with a pour. The spider slipped down and tumbled to the floor.
Hey, don't cry. See that?
The itsy bitsy spider had a clever plan. It grabbed a leafy vine to climb as high as it can. But just as it reached the top of the tree, the rain poured again and down went he. The itsy bitsy spider would not give in. It spun a little web so it wouldn't slip again. The rain tried to stop it, but the web was strong. This time the spider kept climbing all along.
Woohoo!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had an elephant, E-I-E-I-O. With a trumpet here and a trumpet there, here and trumpet there and trumpet everywhere. Trumpet, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.